My name is Shantae Simpson, and I am a licensed cosmetologist turned beauty blogger who recently launched my own makeup collection. So apart from that, this channel is basically you come here to get hair tutorials, you come here to get hair tips, tricks, hacks. You can come here to get makeup tutorials. What else can you expect from me? Definitely my professional opinion on just how to make your life easier when it comes to hair and when it comes to makeup, and just, you know, each and every day. Super excited to be back and actually have a conversation about some products. Usually I've been doing a lot of voiceovers, but it just takes a minute to kind of adjust to, I don't know, like just talking. I kind of got out of the whole habit of it. So forgive me if there's a little bit of, you know, shifting in the video, because I'm just adjusting to, you know, getting used to this, because it's just kind of a new thing for me again. So my goal, again, if you missed my last video, is to be consistent. So getting back into doing reviews, and that being hair tutorials and hair care reviews, and also makeup tutorials. So I should also mention, well, just each and every day, because, you know, overall you want your whole hair care journey to be easily, effortlessly, and you just want to look your best every day. And I want to be that person to help you along with that, as I realize there are many real challenges in the black hair industry. So not in the black hair industry itself, but in hair care itself. The problem is hair. The problem with us is, and our hair is dry hair. Trying to find products that moisturize our hair, trying to, you know, just figure this whole thing out. So I feel like I have found the formula, for not far as products, but I have basically a regimen. I have a regimen that works really well for our hair, and so I want to take the moment to share it with you. So without further ado, if you are a lover of natural hair care, or any type of hair care, really, because I can talk to any type of hair care, whether it's relaxed hair or natural hair. But if you're, you know, here for that, then definitely hit the subscribe button, as well as makeup tutorials. I can help you with that as well. But yeah, go ahead and hit subscribe so we can actually grow our family, because it's been established for a while, but I haven't been actively doing these. So anyway, hit that subscribe button and smash the like button if you like what you've seen so far, and over the video you find it actually informative and helpful, then definitely subscribe so I can grow my channel and you can never miss a post, as well as follow me on all my other social media. You know, the Instagram, I have 2 Instagrams, one for a collection is one for me, so you can get to know me a little bit better on there. And anyway, let's jump into this product. It's not really a tutorial, but product review, because I've already done my hair like 3 times with it. So I can definitely give you expert advice on it and what I recommend and what I would say no to. So without further ado, Palmer's Length Retention System. So you have a shampoo. I have makeup on the shampoo. We have a shampoo. This is the shampoo. And then we have a conditioner, just say shampoo, conditioner, and all infused with biotin. You have biotin in the products. So these products right here are specifically for all curl patterns and textures. So that's what this product line is for. It's infused with biotin. It's a strengthening system that fortifies and protects for optimum length. It is color safe. It claims to be color safe and non-stripping, also removing buildup, and silicone free. And yeah, so what I can tell you about the shampoo, let's start with the shampoo. The shampoo is a really good shampoo. I noticed as I shampooed my hair with it that it felt very soft. It did not strip my hair, but it did cleanse it well, and it left it feeling very soft. So soft to where you could possibly detangle your hair as you shampoo your hair along with it, and it offers really good slip. So I recommend the shampoo. Moving on to the conditioner. The conditioner is a length retention conditioner, and it is really good for detangling the hair. It hydrates the hair, and it's also infused with biotin. I think this is a really good conditioner, but I would recommend, it's made with vitamin E2 as well. I would recommend that you, when you apply the conditioner, you almost use it as a deep treatment. You can put it in your hair and put a cap on it and go under the dryer for 30 minutes, because I just really feel like, from what I have seen, by my professional opinion, because I'm a licensed cosmetologist, that usually conditioner just really sits on top. I just haven't found a conditioner that really penetrates the hair well without applying some form of heat. So I recommend that you put the conditioner on your hair and then go under the dryer under a heated setting for at least 30 minutes to make sure it gets into your hair. So you're almost using it like a deep treatment, but yeah, it works. Moving on to the length retention. It comes with the oil as well. It comes with the length retention hair and scalp oil. It is also made for all this is made for all curl patterns and textures, and it has biotin in it, and it claims to nourish and restore hair and scalp, strengthens the hair for optimum length. This is the oil. What can I tell you? The oil is good. The oil is really good. So how I use the oil is I apply it to my wet hair. You can apply it to wet hair, and then I blow dry my hair. But I will mention, I apply it to my wet hair, but before you blow dry your hair, of course, you do need a leave-in conditioner. Now the leave-in, I got the system, but I did not get the leave-in. So I use another leave-in with it, but I would never ever recommend you blow dry like raw hair, like freshly shampooed conditioned hair with oil on it. You have got to put you got to put a conditioner on your hair to protect your hair, you know. So you're gonna put your leave-in conditioner, a really good thick leave-in conditioner, depending on your hair texture. If you have fine hair, you want to use a very fine thin one, but I have thick, coarse 4B 4C texture hair mixed in, very coarse hair, so I do recommend that you use a really good conditioner. So, but on my wet hair, I add the actual scalp hair oil. I just sprayed it onto my hair, and then you can put your leave-in conditioner on there, and then you blow it dry. So after you blow it dry, you're going to then do your Bantu knots. And with the Bantu knots, I did the length retention Vital Grow with biotin, which is like a cream. I use that on the ends of the hair. So the trick to Bantu knots, it's going to show you a quick tip. You want to first make sure the hair is, of course, clean, dry, and hydrated well. That's what the shampoo conditioner is going to do for you. And then you apply a leave-in conditioner as you blow dry your hair, so you don't blow dry, so you don't blow dry like raw hair, like I kept saying, like hair with no barrier, no protection. So that is what your leave-in is for. And then you're going to use a low heat setting, because if you use high heat, it will actually burn your hair out. You'll notice that your hair starts to break off because it's overly dry and breakage starts to occur. We don't want that, so use a low heating setting. And then you're going to wet the ends of your hair. Wet the ends of your hair and add this length retention Vital Grow on the ends of your hair. This is an actual cream. This is the cream. It's a cream, and you just put that on the ends of your hair. Like I said, you put the I'm gonna get it right in a minute, I promise. You're gonna put the water on the ends of your hair, and then you're gonna just wrap your hair up into a circle away, and then you're going to go under the dryer. You have two options. You can go to bed with it, which I highly don't recommend. But if you have thick hair like me, it's just not gonna work. You wanna go under the dryer for at least 45 minutes to make sure you get some of the water out of the ends that you just wet, right? And then you're going to, then you can sleep on it. If you really wanna set your hair, you can sleep on it with the bonnet, and then that's what I did to get this look. I slept in this. My curls are holding really well, as you see. Yeah, so my hair feels very soft. So so overall, I'll tell you what I think about this whole entire system. I think the whole entire system that I have used, the shampoo, conditioner, the hair and scalp oil, and the Vitagrow, is a really bomb system. My hair came out feeling really nice. I still have some oil here dripping here, but my hair came out really nice. It's soft, it's movable. See, it have movement. It's no stiff hair. It has body, lots of body. It has great hold. If I didn't want to redo my hair in the morning, I wouldn't have to. I could just pull it up into like a pineapple at night and then just, you know, shaking and go in the morning. But because I work out, so I will be working out this evening. I plan to do like a little walk on my treadmill, whatever, because I haven't been getting out much, but I'll be doing a little walk on my treadmill. So I will tell you, it will not last if you sweat in your hair. It's not gonna last. So I'm going to sweat in my hair. So it's not gonna last like that. So it is a lot. I will say Bantu knots overall is a lot of work. If Bantu knots is a lot of work if you do all this and then you sweat it out. But I just love these curls. I just think they're so pretty. And I do have a lot of time where I can do a look like this. I'm not rushed to go to work or anything like that. So if you don't work out often, this is a great hairstyle for you. If you work out all the time, probably not gonna work if you sweat in your hair. If you don't sweat, you could definitely rock it. You could rock it with no problem at all. Very minimum issues at all. So yeah, I'll say overall, thumbs up for the new system. I think it works for, you know, as a stylist. I would look at it from a stylist point of view. It would work for you if you have fine hair, coarse hair, medium hair, no matter what texture your hair is, it should work. You can do. So say you use the system and you work out a lot, right? Because you gotta have an option for when you do work out. I would suggest that after you work out, you can do a quick braid out where you just take chunks of your hair and braid your hair, and then you can just wear like a top knot and then the back out, depending on how long your hair is, of course. But you know, wash and go, you're gonna have, for me, I would have to have a gel for wash and go. Yeah, not gonna work for wash and go if you don't have a gel or something to do the wash and go with. So I don't have a styling. I think it comes with a gel, but I don't have the gel, so can't do a wash and go with it. But you can use the shampoo and conditioner for one, and then maybe apply your own gel or something like that as a set. But other than that, I love it. I love it. I think that it'll work for anyone. Any texture, I don't see it not working. For me, texture is really all about how you handle your hair. You can either let your hair handle you or you can handle it. Like seriously, control it is really all about control. So yeah, it's really all about control. So I can definitely teach you guys about 4B, 4C hair, 4A hair. The front of my hair is 4A. So I think the very back is 4A, like the very base. And then all in here I have like different textures. I have a little bit of 4B, a little bit, I don't really see a lot of 4C, but I can definitely tell you about it. So yeah. So if this bit, I would say overall, thumbs up for Palmer's. And of course, at nighttime, I'll say for nighttime regimen, right? I say you want to know about nighttime regimen. If you want to see a nighttime video, you know, on what a nighttime regimen of me styling my hair, how I would manage just at night, leave nighttime routine in the comments so I can know to do that for you. If you want to see me recreate this look in a slower way, let me know. But there are also several other links, and I can leave some links below for you guys. There's several other videos on my channel of me doing the Bantu knot, because I just think I figured it out, and this is like my thing. Like this is like my favorite look of all the natural hairstyle looks. That I just love this one more than a twist out, more than a braid out. This is a look right here for me. But yeah, so definitely if you want to see that, let me know. But anyway, welcome to the family. Welcome to Brown Sugar Glam. What else can I tell you? Share with a friend who needs help with her natural hair, or share with a friend who loves natural hair, who, you know, who's interested. Share with a friend who loves makeup tutorials, because I'm here for makeup as well. But just share with a friend. And what else can I tell you? Of course, like it if you found any of the information informative, and if you decide to pick the product up, leave let me know how it worked in your hair, because I love to hear from you guys. It's just really helpful when you know, did it work on her hair? Was this beneficial? Would you like more videos like this? If you would like more videos like this, of course, like it so I know it. Comment more videos like this. But yeah, let your girl know. And I'm excited to be back. I'm excited to be back on this journey with you guys, and I look forward to many more reviews, many more tutorials and makeup tutorials. So subscribe, hit the notification, and share. And I will see you guys next time. Come through. See you next time. Thanks for stopping in and watching this. Like, it means so much. See you soon.